Thank you, Pooja Kids, for this question. She requested me to answer a question. Can you please provide an SOP on following topic? Got it in some school's prelim paper. There is a reputed institution providing a prestigious degree in instrumental music. Write an SOP in around 250 words so that you can favorably be considered for admission. In today's session, I'm going to discuss how to write a statement of purpose. What is the difference between a personal profile and a statement of purpose? In fact, this is my second video on SOP. Kindly check the pinned comment in the comment section to get the appropriate video link. Let's now read the answer. There is a reputed institution providing a prestigious degree in instrumental music. Write a statement of purpose so that you can be favorably considered for admission. The statement of purpose, and here is the answer. Always begin your statement of purpose with a grand opening, a personal anecdote, a personal reference, so that the reader can identify with you on an emotional level. There are thousands of candidates waiting to be selected. Why will the admission committee choose you? You will have to be unique. And how can you be unique? By writing an SOP with a grand opening. My mother is a trained classical singer. I am born in a family of singers and musicians. The atmosphere at home echoes with melodious tunes, beats, and rhythm. This has resulted in my love for music, especially instrumental music. Observe how I have framed the introduction. A personal touch has been added to state clearly why I want to pursue a course in instrumental music. You also try this and see. This will enhance the quality of your statement of purpose. Next, with singular drive and focus, I aspire to excel in the field of instrumental music with tabla as my area of specialization, my area of interest. And what are the traits of my personality? I have started to mention them one by one. It's singular drive, number one, and also focus, dedication. With singular drive and focus, I aspire to excel in the field of instrumental music with tabla as my area of specialization. I idolize tabla maestros like Ustad Zakir Hussain, Bikram Ghosh, and would love to create solo magic on stage like them. I have adapted my language, my linguistic ability according to the topic. Since this topic is all about music, I am using words and expressions related to music. Since training, guidance, and practice are important to learn this art, music is an art, I have been working hard to get an admission in the prestigious, reputed institution, Folk Beats and Rhythmscape Music School in Kolkata for a wholesome development of skills and grooming of personality. This is a fictitious institution, and I have written the name as well as the location. And why do I seek admission here? For a wholesome development of skills and grooming of personality. You must be clear in your approach. Why do you want to seek admission? And that I have stated very clearly in the second paragraph of the statement of purpose. What is the difference between a personal profile and a statement of purpose? More or less, there are similarities in both statement of purpose and personal profile. You will have to write about yourself, the traits of your personality, but in the case of SOP, you will have to write about the salient features of a particular college, institute, university. You want admission there, and why do you want that? You will have to mention that clearly in an SOP, and in personal profiles you will have to just write about yourself, highlighting your positive strengths. The institute has collaboration with various national and foreign music schools and universities to expand the opportunities for faculty and student exchange program. A very pertinent point which has made you choose this institute as your first priority. The second point, this school for music provides a degree in instrumental music that is deemed one of the best in the field. The experienced faculty, affordable fee structure, regular practice sessions, and live concerts will allow me to fulfill my dreams. I am very clear in my approach, and I have stated everything clearly in the statement of purpose. Having a zeal for achieving excellence and perfection, I am diligently striving to learn the intricate details of this instrument. I would work hard to teach music to the underprivileged children as I am involved in social work. What are your future plans? What are your aspirations? These points must be highlighted in your SOP, and then your academic and extracurricular details. I have scored well in my 10+2 board exams. You may mention the percentage, and have completed music courses with flying colors. Here also you may name a few music courses and the percentage that you achieved over there. I have a training in classical vocals also. I paint and have an artistic bent of mind. Extracurricular activities, academic performance as well as extracurricular activities. Both these factors must be stated clearly in your SOP, and the conclusion, I am confident that I will uphold the standard of your reputed institution with my passion, grit, and hard work. Indeed, this will be life enriching for me. Dear students, this is how you write an SOP. So do check the playlist for personal profile and more SOP solved examples.